Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something straight out of science fiction, but it's happening right now in fields all across the world. We're talking about the future of farming, autonomous tractors. These incredible machines are changing the game, working tirelessly day and night. We're going to look at the giants leading the charge: John Deere, Case IH, and Fendt. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore these titans of the turf. First up, let's talk about what makes these tractors so special. Imagine a machine that can plow, plant, and spray with pinpoint accuracy, all without a driver in the cab. This isn't just about convenience, it's about a revolution in efficiency. These tractors use a combination of GPS, cameras, sensors, and artificial intelligence to navigate fields, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks with a level of precision that's nearly impossible for a human to match, especially after a long day. This means less overlap, less wasted fuel, and less soil compaction, all of which leads to healthier crops and bigger yields. Let's kick things off with the iconic green and yellow John Deere. Their fully autonomous 8R tractor is a sight to behold. It's built on the trusted 8R tractor platform, but it's loaded with advanced tech. It features 6 pairs of stereo cameras, which provide a 360-degree view around the machine. This is crucial for obstacle detection and accurate navigation. The images captured are passed through a deep neural network that classifies each pixel in milliseconds, deciding if the machine should continue or stop for an obstacle. It's constantly learning and adapting, and the power. The John Deere 8R boasts a formidable engine that delivers a massive amount of horsepower. It's more than enough to pull the largest implements through the toughest soil conditions. But it's not just about brute force. The real specialty here is the smart application of that power. The autonomous system ensures the tractor is always working at its optimal speed and engine load, which is a huge factor in being an energy saver. It avoids unnecessary idling and inefficient passes, cutting down on diesel consumption significantly. This means it's not just working harder, it's working smarter and faster. Farmers can monitor the tractor's progress from their smartphone, making adjustments on the fly and freeing them up to focus on other critical aspects of the farm operation. Now, let's turn our attention to the bold red of Case IH and their Magnum series. Case IH took a slightly different approach with their autonomous concept vehicle. The design is truly futuristic. The most striking feature: there's no cab. That's right, it was designed from the ground up to be completely autonomous, which allowed engineers to totally rethink the tractor's architecture. This cable's design optimizes the tractor's size and weight distribution, making it incredibly agile and efficient. When we talk about tires, the Case IH concept is often shown with massive duals or even tracks, providing incredible traction and low ground pressure. This helps to protect the soil structure, which is vital for long-term farm health. The power plant in the Magnum is, as the name suggests, massive. It's engineered to handle the heaviest workloads without breaking a sweat. The real specialty of the Case IH system is its focus on fleet management. A farmer can remotely supervise multiple autonomous tractors working together in the same field or in different fields simultaneously. They can coordinate to be incredibly fast and efficient, almost like a synchronized team. This level of automation is a huge energy saver, not just in fuel but in human hours. The system can even alert the farmer when it is time to refuel or if it encounters a problem it couldn't solve, ensuring uptime is maximized. Last but certainly not least, let's look at the innovation from Fendt, part of the AGCO family. Fendt is renowned for its German engineering and high-tech solutions, and their approach to autonomy is no different. Their Xaver project is perhaps the most unique of all. Instead of one giant, powerful tractor, Fendt envisions a swarm of small robotic units. The design is compact, lightweight, and almost looks like something from a NASA mission. These little bots are electric, making them incredibly quiet and energy efficient. The specialty of the Fendt Xaver system is its scalability and precision. Because the robots are so small and light, they cause virtually no soil compaction. You can plant seeds with millimeter accuracy, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The power of each individual robot is small, but when they work together as a swarm, their collective output is immense. They communicate with each other, and a cloud-based control system to cover a field with incredible speed and efficiency. This is the ultimate energy saver, completely eliminating the need for fossil fuels and using electricity in the most targeted way possible. This swarm concept represents a completely different way of thinking about farm work, focusing on a distributed, intelligent network rather than a single powerful machine. So let's compare these three incredible visions of the future. John Deere offers a practical, powerful solution that integrates autonomy into a familiar, trusted platform. It's about enhancing the tractors we already know and love. Case IH pushes the boundaries with a cables' design, focusing on the power and efficiency you can gain when you build a machine solely for autonomous operation. And Fendt reimagines the entire concept with its swarm robotics, focusing on precision, low environmental impact, and a highly scalable electric-powered future. What do they all have in common? They're all designed to be fast-working. An autonomous tractor doesn't need brakes, doesn't get tired, and can work through the night. This opens up the window for planting and harvesting, allowing farmers to take advantage of ideal weather and soil conditions, no matter the time of day. This speed and relentless work ethic directly translate to higher productivity. The tires on all these machines, from the massive duals on the John Deere and Case IH to the specialized wheels on the Fendt bots, are engineered for maximum traction and minimal impact. They are the crucial link between the machine's power and the ground, ensuring every bit of energy is used to move the implement forward, not to spin the wheels. The amount of data these machines collect is another huge advantage. They map the field in incredible detail, noting variations in soil type, moisture levels, and crop health. This information is invaluable for future planning, allowing for variable rate application of seeds, fertilizers, and water. It's not just about automating labor. It's about turning the entire farm into a smart, data-driven ecosystem. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. The cost of this technology is still high, and rural internet connectivity can be a barrier. There are also regulatory and public perception hurdles to clear. But the momentum is undeniable. These technologies promise to solve some of farming's biggest challenges, like labor shortages and the increasing pressure to produce more food sustainably. These autonomous tractors are more than just cool gadgets. They represent hope for a more efficient, productive, and sustainable future for agriculture. They empower farmers to do more with less, to be better stewards of their land, and to ensure we can feed a growing global population for generations to come. Whether it's the familiar power of John Deere, the radical design of Case IH, or the swarm intelligence of Fendt, the future of farming is autonomous, and it's incredibly exciting. What do you guys think? Which of these autonomous systems impresses you the most? Are you excited about this technology? Or do you have some concerns? Let me know down in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and getting a good discussion going. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of autonomous tractors, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video. We've got a lot more amazing machinery and technology to explore. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. See ya.